and most common way to get from Brisbane to Kingfisher Bay Resort of Gary, formerly Fraser Island. The best option is to drive from Brisbane to Riverheads for the ferry. The time from Brisbane to Riverheads is 3.5 to 4 hours via Bruce Highway.
See? So I think maano ra ta ma-survive.
Pag kumakaon, mahal lang ka. Mumala man daw pangaon.
Ala, may boiled egg pa oh.
Hindi na ta masakay dani.
Feel delicious. Rocks.
Tawago na ta dayon.
Ayo, what about you?
I see Dada, mo mama. It's this.
Papanson.
Muka, uy. Sa muka ng bata.
Sa mukha.
Kasi uli.
Kaya, orang explosive drink na niya tuwa ba?
Wait.
Saba daw gani ta.
Tulog mo. Pre.
And say hello. The saloon also houses the life jackets. You'll find those stowed in the overhead racks there. Instructions to their operation is fully explained. What
And one day we had two orange ones.
You are, he's saying that you are noisy, Kai.
Can you sing?
You're just talking, right?
Can you sing?
It's raining, it's cold. The old man is gone. He went to bed, bumped his head. He couldn't get up in the morning.
Yay! Nice.
Kaya siyempre na ako special trip. Ako kayo.
So what did you dream, Kai Kai?
I had my dream that I really love one.
Salamat dong.
Music Filipino.
Yeah?
Ging na siya ni Kian, are you Filipino?
No, he was like, you Filipino?
Ah, yeah.
Ano sabi?
He's like, yes.
Ngunit tulay sa Pilipinas.
There's no one.
Ini bridge sa Pilipinas.
Look, this is a paddle boat. Paddle boating.
Sige, may pala lang ka. Monitor camera.
National Park.
Visit.
No. For 1 month, 59.80 for a month. We're going to Lake Mackenzie. Hey, usa sa pa.
Reset ko na.
Maset mo na.
Wow.
Kaya wala man ni Papa mo kanina gi-set sa 4-wheel drive.
I don't feel the difference.
No, it's not corrugated anymore. See? Smooth now.
아, 그럴 수 있겠어.
Kaya ito Ayan, Dingo.
Consider carpet congestion.
The lace what? The lace.
Consider alternative route. Alternative locations.
Camping not permitted. Go
Oh.
car.
Dagan man ta magdagan bitaw ta magtulak.
You just gotta put it in neutral.
Point.
What happens if you
Pwede pa yung bus na lang.
Boss?
Kung kaya.
Ito ng mga field trip.
Kung kaya nila mag-bus trip.
Aggressive dingo behavior towards.
Never what it said.
Yahaha. Kita.
Patindog ba?
Also be in the area. Provided. Take water only to take to the lakeshore.
Kain. Wait, can you hold my phone?
Sister.
Pwede hindi maligo, Chino? The beauty of Lake Mackenzie is almost unreal. The lake is famous for its striking contrast of colors. The water is an intense, crystal clear blue, framed by pure white silica sand.
Wow. Couple videos. So, naman to be 16. I'm gonna take
Nakakute man, oy.
We'll take Feels like no, it's like a bee.
Bumblebee.
Oh, di ba yung
Bigyan nyo kami dito nga. Tadang, tadang.
Asa?
Where?
Sabi na lang inyong inihi.
Ay!
Kuya, I saw a snake.
You hungry? Well, after we get somebody.
ang beer, hawak ko ang beer.
Dali na diri. Beer ka dyan.
Bay, nahali naman ito inyo at bang ba? Pili pag
Baluit yung baluit. So naanoon mo, pero try sa market.
So ang
10 mil siguro ilang gasto.
saon. Ayun, sinilat ko na.
Ready for our second day. Mga gupa. Uy, sexy ha. Huwag mga paano yan. Sa likod na sexy.
Oh,
Where are you? And then, Ricky. And then, Manuel. Tracy. Chile. Waiting for the Luxin and Thailand fam.
Mats mo mo ni sa'yo.
Ginan ako siya karang ibutang sa front ang imong cover. Ano siya? No, I can't breathe. Tama jud siya.
Kondisyon na amang
Kumusta?
dealer oh.
Kondisyon na. Kondisyon na. Narang-arang ka na daw.
Okay,
then
the
this is
cost.
already dead.
Yes, yang third condition.
Ay. Ay. Are you all okay?
Yeah.
What about you at the back there, Minchin and Ricky?
Yes, we are close.
Oh my God. No, marag na enjoy sila gani. Kita kita ang ilang ginapa ano para
Tapos sabi ka sa
Real? Oh, were you?
Oh.
Because my babies like sleep when you like put them in the durian. Like you try them, you go like this. Yeah, malipong. Yeah. But what would happen if you accidentally turn on the side?
rough ang dagat dire kay facing ano ni siya, Pacific Ocean.
Look at that. No, don't go in
Hindi
there.
na sila dito.
No, maybe on the other side.
Like shore drive.
So there is, there they are. Sila, dili di ay. Oh my gosh.
Di na sila.
There, oh.
Lagi dyan eh.
Oh, that's so good.
Wala, it's raining, about to rain.
So gaya na.
Di rin na sila mag ano, mag...
Shipping.
Oh, ano, mag off-road.
We're just rolling out from Kingfisher Bay Resort. Bit of a change from resort roads to proper sun driving. You can feel it straight away. Our hubbies are now dropping the tire pressure. Where's the Wabi Lake? Oh, okay. Skydiving.
Ang muna skydiving.
Grabe ang ano mo, sky. Eye in the sky.
Okay, talagang ano ba?
Sige. Now you can see it opens up long stretch of sand, ocean on one side, dunes on the other. Amazing. Yay! Nice!
Sun driving sila.
Makaslide? Hindi makaslide ni pa?
Di man.
Mura naman good semento. Ang sand. Oh my gosh, the waves. Yay! short. No off-road thinking day here because 40. Let's see. Hello, what's the rock?
Yung caravan.
Ah, this one, the rock
Did
one.
we start trying to get into?
Baka ka ng caravan, oh.
Oo, pero
We need to keep an eye on the tides. This place completely changes depending on the time of day. Low tide is what we want. Nice, firm sand and way safer driving. Oh no! Why?
gidipit na diyan niya iyang gulong, walang kaabing yung flat.
I see.
Ganyan siya.
Feeling na mo.
Kulang.
Sige na, mag-smile na kayo mo. Off the road.
Tanawa ro.
Wala, sige.
May mga ano gina.
Oink.
Yung
Wala, kaidagan kahit ako. Kaniyo, nagasugat. Wala. Oh, sige, bumper to bumper.
Tino diri yo.
Asa?
Adi ang gusto gid ayo. nagabutang mo.
Oh, 80 oh.
Bay, 80 daw bay. Tatawa na.
1.6 unique postal sa Fraser.
Mao gini siya. Di kay tungod kuan ka ng school zone.
Where is Minchin? My gosh, nga na nagburot-burot na pag...
Tuo si Manuel school zone.
The thing. Oh my God.
Minchin.
Kaya abi niya mag-beach na dahil dira.
Napay bus o lagi.
Bus stop. Oh, maybe it's that.
Yung ano nila diri o? Tinayo. Ay hindi, amphibian ka nang pwede siya sa dagat ng mga bus.
Oo, tama.
What?
Ano piloto? Nakaputi ko to.
Ay, sa katong skydive. Pero wait, asan na ta?
First stop is in Ellie Creek. It is one of the most popular spots here. Crystal clear fresh water just flowing straight out onto the beach. You can literally just float down and just chill, especially after the drive. Sugat pagit sa ano. Kana akong gusto ng half. Kaya half na ba sa kong ulo? Uy, butang lakaw. Dagat na. Nasaan na si Roxy baby? Ah, grabe mo ra kag debutante dira chin ba? Napagay ka sa tunga ba? O napod ang ano. Isa ka debutante. Ah, si
Roxy. Ako manak mura magdibo.
Ikaw na ka?
Murag
O naayong katatlong magdibo.
Pramba. Hello. Dili ako yan.
Ay, pinaka photo.
Hello.
We're not singing the sparkle float.
5 little speckles. Singing the delicious
Did you eat already, ano?
Ulan nito, pre, oh. Load.
Kuya, get your salbabida. Ricky.
Not bad?
Oo, not
Pero
bad.
ikaw din mong lawas. Like swim, Jude. Basta na ta anyway. Oh my God, wala ko isa. Di na nga lain.
Ah, wala kang mo nagdala? I tried earlier. It's so cold. Is it nice?
This is really
Minch. Ito ingon niya.
Puro. Like you say. No, that's the worst. That's not a good angle.
Yeah. Hi guys.
They're moving so slow. They're moving so slow. Okay. Okay.
Oh, that's Ate Chini.
Yeah. Dalawa yung mong sapatos ngayong ugasan.
Pero lang na lang na ganina.
Pila gusto ka minuto tong drive? Muna pa 30 minutes, ha?
Ito sa kabugangan ta ba? Pila to ka oras? Sa ka oras.
Wala.
Kaso ano lang, yun na lang tayo.
Oh, wala tumang oras. Kabutot ko.
Then a bit further up, you'll see the Mahino shipwreck.
Lah. Lalu sige lang, si Apak. Apak, accelerate the pause. Hinay lang. Go.
Go siya mama. Go siya mama. Go siya mama. Slowly.
Grabe.
Go, that's okay.
Shipwreck.
Wait, so
The wrecked ship. Shipwreck. Basahon natin.
how many years ago? You think it naturally got washed up on here?
Mahino shipwreck is just sitting there rusted out on the sand. It was a proper ocean liner back in the day. Now it is basically one of the Fraser's most iconic photo spots.
Oh.
Oh, chill!
Oh, the view is so nice this way.
Shipwreck. Dirita ka na makikunis.
I love your dress.
Oh, thank you. Yes.
City, oh. Pero kante ka sa ram.
Sunod sa kosa. Nice Anak pa. Paras kayo ko. Oh my gosh, the rain is
Driving along here though, you've got to watch for a few things. Soft sand patches, washouts, and yeah, the occasional dingo wandering through.
Kingfisher Bay Resort.
It's rain again. Hallelujah. Rain again.
Nice.
Saan man na pagkuan? Nakaluoy man eh. La, grabe tinudun lagi na nila kasakit. Grabe naman. You need to do it slowly. Uy.
Isaksak ano.
3, 2, 1.
Oo.
Ay, tanah di kakaling ko eh. Yung subog at uy, naana oh. So cold. You make me warm. You make me warm, darling.
This is what Gary or Fraser Island Adventure is all about. 4-wheel drive, ocean views, and freshwater creeks. Thank you for coming with us.